Sanibonani bafethu, laba bangazi-ke bafethu-ke thina as amasosha each and every year senza into ebizwa ukuthi healthy walk, you understand? Healthy walk at the same time it's a peace walk whereby as black people siya-unite as amasosha, as a black nation, sibambisane sibonise abantu ukuthi i-fitness ne-unity is very important-ke. Lana sesifikile kwi-venue bafethu as I make this mini vlog. Le i-venue yethu iseZulu mesinzela eJohannesburg, you understand, Zulu League. So sekufikiwe-ke lana-ke thina sesifike before-ke abanye baseza basawalker-ke. So mase sifika lana-ke laba sebhizi balungisa i-sound system, balungisa i-stage kwenzela ukuthi i-program izohamba kahle, because at the same time lana we were giving awareness to those who are disabled, you understand, laba abadinga i-special needs, you understand, because celebrate at the same time acknowledge, you understand. So one of the things about us bafethu thina silidwa inkosi yomoya, which like Baba Zulezwe, yabo inkosi yomoya-ke inkosi yamakhosi yomoya kusho ukuthini lokho? Kuloko kusho ukuthi under his guidance as amasosha. So uyena usifundisayo ukuthi as black people kumele sizazi, sazi identity yethu and sizithande njalo, yayibona lento leyo, sizazi undermine and sizi-embrace ukuthi yayibona lento leyo, and silandele nendlela zokhokho bethu ngokweqiniso. So sesifikile-ke lana-ke bafethu, mokumnandi kunjana kusaprepariwa and we are here, we are waiting for more, you understand. Le inkosazana yami bafethu, yabona si-highlight to the vlog. Okay, no problem guys. And then samile sisenjalo-ke sibona ubuhle bale ndawo bafethu nangale ndlela eyenziwa ngakhona, yayibona lento leyo, si-witnessa amandla we-African indigenous spirituality bafethu, yayibona lento leyo. And then nathi siya-witness ukuthi azini kahle kahle as black people siyakwazi by-part of into ezinhle, nayibona lento leyo bafethu. Into ezifana nalezo bafethu thina abantu abamnyama like asizazi, yayibo, thina sijwayele ukuthi as umuntu omnyama like we're not with it, zonke izinto lezo. But here SB Radebe Foundation bafethu isenza sizibona ukuthi no, actually kahle kahle nyani as black people like deserve more and like sinevilo nathi singabantu, yabo. So it's one of those events ezihlezi zigqugquzela zisivuselela as amasosha bafethu. So I'm sharing this words because ngifuna nibe inspired bafethu, nibone ukuthi abantu abamnyama siyakwazi ukwenza into zethu and be successful without umuntu omhlophe, yayibona lento leyo. And ayikho le saying ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngaphandle komlungu ngeke abe yilutho, that's a lie. Lana-ke sesiphakathi nezama-artist bafethu, siphakathi lana-ke kuzokuhlela khona ama-artist la bafethu, because in this event mokhona ama-headline afana nabo uMafikizolo, lo uMaskandi, uNkosana Daughter, lo ushaya piano bafethu. So lana-ke kulahlela khona ama-artist lana lasihleli lana bafethu, yimi lona yangithola ngifeni ne-team yami, kumnandi kunje. Abanye abakafiki sifike early thina-ke mase besibekela ama-drinks-ke namanzi bafethu, ama-call ne-agriculture bafethu, izinto bafethu ezihloliwe bafethu, izinto ezi-healthy bafethu. Always make sure ukuthi awuphuzi noma yini, uphuza into ehloliwe bafethu, yayibona lento leyo. So sihleli-ke lana-ke simele ukuthi makuqale-ke manje usundaba, hayi-ke lana-ke hey basiseva ngokudla kumnandi indlela eyisimanga bafethu. This is the start, I understand, because sifike ekuseni. So I said no, let's get you guys i-breakfast sikwazi ukuthi sibambise before sonandisa, before perform guys, which like i-treatment bafethu abasinika yona bafethu, i-treatment ekunyizinga, yayibona lento leyo, uthando bafethu, yayibona brand bafethu. Nani mani ufuna amanzi amakanjena bafethu, ningathinta one of the nearest ama-suppliers nawo bafethu. Lana mesidla cake at the same time khohliwe mesicelebrate bafethu i-birthday yenkosi yamakhosi omoya, which is our spiritual father, is our guidance, it's our savior, you understand. So it was nice. Lana bafethu la benandisa nabo about dancing and stuff, yayibona lento leyo bafethu, kumnandi nje bafethu, yabo. So I just sharing ama-highlights, angishare yonke into because like it was not possible to share yonke into because I was on the VIP as an artist. So I just share lama piece avelayo guys, yabo, just an update ukuthi kahle kahle i-Dr. SB Radebe Foundation yini umsebenzi wayo bafethu, yabo. Hayi-ke lana esesimile-ke lana inkosazana yami ithi no, masiphume sime ngaphandle because la moto emnyama eniyibona lapha la class leyani ihamba ubani, ihamba ngonkosazana Daughter. So meke funa uthatha isithombe nayo, yayibona lento leyo. So I was like okay, let me wait with her bafethu, at the same time celebrate ini ilanga lenkosi yamakhosi omoya, i-birthday yakhe. At the same time si-enjoy i-performance kaNkosazana Daughter because mase stage la thina on the backstage, but at the same time siyakwazi ukuva i-performance yakhe. So simile lana siya-enjoya, siyajiva, yonke lento leyo kumnandi ngendlela isimanga guys, yayibona lento leyo. So We're just enjoying the vibe, just enjoying the day, guys, yabo. Because that's very important as abantu bafethu. Each and every memory yenza really enjoy. Ungabi ngumuntu stiff, umuntu like serious. Sometimes you need to have fun, yabo. Ujibe, yabo. As much as I do, guys, yabo. I don't feel something that I don't do, yabo. Angiyena umteste, angiyena upasta, yabo. Teaching into engiyenzayo mina, yabo lento leyo. So you see, so kumnandi kunje abafisa enjoy ke lana ke yabona sajiva ngapho unkosazana Dotty yachi performance yakhe kumnandi kunje abafethu. Ayike lana busy ngiyaveza yabona ukuthi okay we're still on bafethu yabo we're still on it makajayive unkosazana la haya vele around yada yangiroba uyena unkosazana Dotty ke lo bafethu ngene stage.
African spirituality, Koloko go to 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 African spirituality, Koloko to African spirituality, Koloko go to see, bring and be, we so shine, Ashinjilu, so, Minani Zinzana, Tuzana Boko, Azanilo Mola, Isana Sam, Vumiboloya, Bega Manje Bayang Luisa, Bega Manje Bayang Luisa, Bayang Luisa, African spirituality, Koloko go to 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 African spirituality, Koloko go to. What's the solution for the black power? African spirituality. What's the solution for the black culture? African spirituality. What's gonna save us as a black nation? What's gonna make us understand we are one? All these religions, they do nothing for us. All they do is take from us and disconnect us from the power source. Yeah, they don't want us to know identity. African spirituality, Koloko go to 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 African spirituality, Koloko go to
Bye guys, so this was my mini vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and follow me for more. Bye.